Hey y'all, what's up? It's Jessica. Welcome back. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Say hello to the new look. I did my braids I just finished them last night. Let me stop lying. I was about to say last week. I finished them last night. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I've been installing my own braids and they look so good. Look at this. Today I'm sharing a few simple and chic casual outfits you should wear right now. A lot of times when people think of casual, they think of basic, very effortless, not that much style to it. And on a day-to-day basis, I'm a very casual, basic, effortless girl. Believe it or not, I am on an everyday basis. But I know how to make a casual look chic, look stylish, look like I put a lot more effort than what I actually did. So today I'm going to be sharing my version of casual chic outfits. These are pieces that I'm sure a lot of us already have in our wardrobe. And I'm going to show you how to spruce them up a bit, how to add that pop, that star factor, that fashionista factor, that style factor. I'm going to show you how to add all of that. And yes, I am pregnant. I'm currently 28 weeks pregnant and I have not bought any maternity clothes, you guys. This is all stuff that I've already had in my wardrobe already, or things that I bought that I want to wear even after pregnancy, because let's be real, I'm not going to be pregnant forever and I don't want to waste my money on clothes that I know I'm not going to get that much use of. And luckily for me, I buy a lot of oversized clothes because I just like that feel, so they kind of already mesh well with the belly. But I want to get these looks out here before I won't be able to fit a lot of this stuff. Before we dive into the video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed, and turn on that post notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Jessica Petway. That's where you can stay up to date on my looks, on what's going on, what I'm thinking, and the engagement there. It's everything. If you are ready to see these looks, let's dive into the video. Were served. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found some inspiration to kind of spruce up your casual day-to-day outfits. A lot of these things, like this is stuff that I would wear every day. This is just my style. Everyone's style is different, but I think I picked some pieces that are very wearable, that even if you have, if you're like more basic, if you're more of like boho, minimalist, whatever, I try to like touch on everything, on every genre, and just kind of make her a little bit more chic, more casual, more wearable for any girl, any style. So yeah, that is all, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Down below, let me know what your favorite look was, and also what other style videos, fashion videos you would like for me to do in the future. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.